or never have I ever gotten bun. Yeah, I get bun every Easter.
I love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. Better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Wanna waste no time. Don't wanna go home. I can't believe the rain fall like. But the show must go on. Hey guys, welcome back to this wonderful channel, and you don't know it's Anna Candice here again with another video. So today we're going to be talking. Well, I'm not gonna do all the talking today. So it's basically I'm letting you guys know some more about me by doing a never have I ever. So guys, I asked on Instagram and my WhatsApp status for some questions. Yes guys, my ear grow and I get some, you see it, but rain is falling, so I kind of talk extra loud. Phone can't hear me. Yeah guys, I'm not doing the edges because I never did feel it, but yes, let's get straight into the video. I have about 30 questions. 30. Yeah, I have about 30 questions guys, so I'm going to answer as much as possible. I don't think I answer all of them. I come no way. I don't come out and ask you certain questions, but yeah. We're going to do this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And I don't know, so the girl always come with the nice content, the good things there. So guys, if you see me looking down, I have the questions on my laptop. So yeah, I can't believe Serena Val. Me can't believe. Guys, tell me if you like the new background. Tell me if you like the new background. You see, oh guys, guess what? We are officially at 1,000 subscribers. By the time you see this video, me and my will like 1.04k. But guys, we are reaching milestones upon milestones every time I post a new video guys. So it's just no time for the eye to get monetized. You see it. So you see, you have to watch out the video then for me get monetized, and some can do giveaways and things aside. What am I say aside? Anyways, that's it guys. We reached 1,000 subscribers. Congratulations to you, because you met me reach. If you never share the video to your auntie, your uncle, your sister, mother reach the 1k, you see me? So thanks to you, we are at 1,000 subscribers, right? I wanna feeling. Tell me, I wanna feeling. Me feel like me on cloud 9. I know what you, but we're finna start the video, okay? Guys, I have questions. So, the first question that I got was, never have I ever cheated in class. That is I can remember. Like, when I cheat, I lie. Everybody cheat. I feel like I cheat in a class. But not like big cheat, like tests. No. But like cheat in a class, I feel like I do that. I don't know. I don't understand. But I think I cheat in a class. I think so. Never have I ever smoked. Yes guys, I have smoked. I have smoked paper. Nothing else. I'm not of age. Never have I ever skipped a class. No, because I feel like skipping a class don't make no sense. You're going to lose out on a concept and thing. I just have to be done. So you see, I don't really want to be done, so I'm going to skip class. But asleep. Never have I ever manipulated someone into doing something. Like, guys, that's my profession. That's my profession. If I want something to be done and like you don't want it, brother, me I gonna make you do it. When me done, you are gonna do it. You see? So yeah. Alright guys, so somebody asked this question. Never have I ever get bun, or never have I ever gotten bun. Yeah, I get bun every Easter. My granny, my auntie, my cousin them give me bun. Bun, Easter bun. I don't know what kind of bun you talk about, you know, but at Easter bun me I talk about. You see me? So I don't know what kind of question. Never have I ever sneak out, snuck out. No. Guys, I have sick parents. You see me? Me? Nah chance it. Nah chance it. Never have I ever given a lap dance. No brother. I can't even dance to save my life. I'm glad. Never have I ever run away from home. It's like you not understand them. My parents them a tip. Run away from which yard? I not do that. Never have I ever skipped school to go to a friend's house. Never. Like I love school. Like me would I go to school every day? Well, not now because school just get hard. But I like school, so I not skip school for gonna friend yard. Furthermore, my head up on my body. So that's not in Candice's intention. Never have I ever lied to my mom about being somewhere. No. I'm not gonna tell my mother no lie because let me tell you what I feel is that me can tell my mother say me I go Spanish Town, or me can tell my mother say me I go X and I go Z. If something is supposed to happen, I overthink, guys. I mean I say something I go happen. If somebody call mother I go tell them say me they are X when me they are Z. So I don't. If I say me I go register, I register me I go. Like my mother can trust me, I tell her say me I go this so. I this me I go. Because I this me I go. Like I'm afraid. Never have I ever did the nasty. I don't know what you're talking about. I should have asked you what you mean, but like I don't know what you're talking about. Never have I ever. I'm not even gonna read that one day. No sir. Never have I ever abused drugs. No. Never have I ever kissed a girl. No, my nana sister alive. I lie. Never have I ever kissed a girl. Yes, I kissed my mother. I love her so much. I did have a sister, but I kissed her too. So yes. Never have I ever peed out myself in public. Boy, wait there. Guys, I'm gonna look at story time, guys. No, it's not even in public. I'm not even in a public, but it is in public. Like, I never people myself in a public, like public space. But when I'm people myself, like what they are people myself, I couldn't believe. Like, more is the bathroom, you know. Better in the bathroom. I may say, come out to the bathroom and I take this thing for a joke. I say, come out to the bathroom so till I start run up and down now, you know, run up and down, come here, hold up the people. I may tell them, say, I run to tell I could hold it no more, and the people just come and say, zoops, but me the outside. And guys, me, one day, I jump fence. Like, my back get locked, so I say I go jump it. My brother I go jump it, but I want people, but I always wait until I reach home for people. Like, I know people at school, I know people nowhere except for me. So, I hold it up now, I say, Bumba, I go jump the fence, and I tell the people I come down, you know. I tell them, say, me, go over the fence, and me, itch pan the nail. I tell them, say, when me itch pan the nail, the people just say, yes, my time for shine. And I see people that say, come down to me and say, no, sir. Well, nobody never say. But, my brother, no, I lie. My brother did see. But that was it was in public, but nobody never did it. You get what I'm saying? But when the people myself are there, I'm going to laugh off on me. Anyways. Never have I ever slept past my stop in a bus. Like, the person here just drape me. Leg on my shirt. Leg on my shirt. Leg on my shirt. Why you drape me so far? I'm not lie. I sleep past my stop one time. I lie. I sleep past my stop one time in a bus and I sleep past my stop one time in a taxi. Like, I live at A. And the driver pass A and go rear on a D, brother. Rear on a D. So I wake up, I just come up for the bus because I know a way. I just come up for the bus and I tried, I walk till I'm tired. I walk till I stop at B. I'm gonna live at B, so I stop at B. And take a look at rest before I go down at A. Because I tell you, say, I don't know how I sleep past my stop. I don't know how. Oh, my sleep past my stop. I'm like, nobody never did it for the bus, so I know. So, my sleep past my stop, brother. Like, I'm sleep past my stop in the car one time. Like, the car take too long for load. The car, I take too damn long for load, and me want to sleep. So, I'm sleep. So, I'm sleep, like, I stop at point A, and I go, like, point F. And so, I wake up, I say, Bomba, driver! And the driver was so nice in turn back with the passengers and carry me on my yard. You see me? Even though I didn't have money, if I got a location there where them stop, could I take him back, come back, but like he was so nice to me, and like I just thank him for that. I could have bother get up out a taxi and then something after sleep and kill me. Guys, I'm telling you, me love sleep, yeah? Never have I ever slapped my mother. Yes, playfully. I can't slap my mother. It was my mother kick me in my face. Never have I ever have a crush on a male teacher. No, brother, I'm not looking at a teacher. I don't think I got ever do that. I just go to school for learn. I just go to school for... I don't think I go like... well, I don't have no crush on a male teacher so far. I don't have no crush on a male teacher. Yeah. Never have I ever steal meat from pot while my parents was cooking. Brother, I'm a professional meat stealer. I'm a I'm not a professional anymore, but I used to be a professional because I'm tell you, me and Steve out to meet them and no shit. But now, come like I have butterfinger. I have butterfinger now because you see every time me and Steve out to me just hear may I tell you. Now, if me and Steve out something, my mother does the pot. My mother does the pot. Candice, leave the pot. Or something. She just always know me and Steve out nowadays. Never have I ever gotten beaten for something your younger sibling did or your sibling overall. Your mother? Me not telling for nobody. Me not telling for nobody. Me for the care. Me not telling for nobody. Me I take my way outside. Never have I ever gotten drunk. Yes, I have. Never have I ever dated two persons at the same time. Guys, I've never dated. I don't know what you're talking about. Never have I ever lied to my parents. If I try to lie to my parents, they will know. So, it don't make sense. I'm going to tell you, my parents, them will just looking at my eye and telling them something like, don't lie. Yes, if I lie, a problem. So, I just not lie. I not lie to them. Never have I ever got into a fight. At primary school, but no. Never have I ever got into a fight with a teacher. Then no, sir. Look on me. Short, slim, maga, whatever. Me, for go look on big tall teacher and try to fight them. You're crazy. You? Crazy. Me never ever fight a teacher. Well, I'm not gonna fight a teacher. It not gonna be a situation where it's a if or a but. Like, me and a teacher not supposed to argue or nothing fit. I want to fight her. So, yeah, guys, I'm gonna run through them questions here quick. So, yes, that's the end of the video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Guys, remember to reach 1K. So, you see, if you're new to the channel and you never watch some of the video them, just go back and watch some of the video them. And make sure to tell your auntie, your uncle, your cousin, your sister, your brother. If you got siblings, just tell them about it. You see me? Subscribe to the channel. Watch out the video them say, you know? Yeah, you know? Yeah, guys. And I don't know, I said my love one on a bag of things per. Yeah. And I don't know, say, may I come up with a good content? Guys, remember to put video ideas down below because as video creators, sometimes you run out of ideas. But just do the dupes. I don't know what the dupe is, so yeah, guys, my hair grow and a bag of things. My hair grow and a bag of things. Tell me if I look cute. Tell me what is missing. For all my real supporters, I wanted to tell me what is missing from this video, and